In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Retool. By the end, you'll have a simple app that brings a conversational AI experience right into the Retool editor so you can build and iterate quickly. First, head over to retool.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in your workspace, look toward the top bar for the Create dropdown. This is where you start anything new in Retool. Open that menu and choose App. This sets up a fresh canvas in the editor where we'll add our chat interface. With the editor open, glance to the left side of the screen for the Components panel. If it's collapsed, click the plus icon to reveal it. This panel is your toolbox, and it's where you'll find all the building blocks you can drag onto the canvas. In the search bar at the top of that Components panel, type the word chat. Retool will filter the list and surface the relevant options. From there, locate the LLM chat component, click and drag it onto your canvas. You can drop it wherever you like and resize it to fit your layout. This component handles the conversation UI for you, so you don't have to build a chat window from scratch. With the LLM chat component selected, look over to the right-hand inspector. Here, you can choose the model the chat will use. Open the model dropdown and select the ChatGPT compatible model that's available in your workspace. The choices you see will depend on what your organization has enabled. If you're unsure which one to pick, start with the default option. You can always change it later as you refine your app's behavior. The inspector is also where you'll fine-tune details over time, like system prompts or response style. But for now, selecting the model is all you need to get moving. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner. Give your app a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily later. Saving locks in your setup and makes the app available to open, share, and iterate on. That's it. You've gone from a blank canvas to a working chat interface powered by a large language model, all inside Retool. From here, you can adjust the layout, experiment with different models your workspace supports, and refine the prompt configuration to shape responses. Keep your organization's data and security guidelines in mind as you proceed, and you'll be set up for a smooth, scalable, AI-powered workflow.